Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you how to improve programming skills and become a better programmer. Many candidates is asking me, how do I improve my programming skills? Or I am good at Java, but not so good on problem solving ability. Okay, so in order to become a better programmer, you need to be really good at the data structures, algorithms, designing using OOP, multi-threading, and various programming concepts like recursion, divide and conquer, prototyping, and unit testing. So programming is a combination of many skills, which means it's not possible to learn it in a quick time. Instead, it will come with time and experience, but that won't happen automatically. You can spend 5 years doing a Java programming job without being a good programmer, since most of Java interviews focus on theory rather than programming and coding skills. So many Java programmers does not practice these essential programming skills. So that is the reason I'm going to say that you have to, if you want to improve your programming skills, then here is the list of things which can help you to become a good programmer. So the first one is coding. Why I have put coding at the top of the list? Because it is the most difficult and at the same time it is a central piece of programming. By doing coding, you also realize your mistakes in designing, error handling, threading, and then go back to those respective skills to improve. You just cannot work in designing only. Coding produces output, which is very important to learn and act as a success. The next thing is contributing to open source, signing up mailing list. Contributing to open source code, especially from Apache, Google, and some other projects, is another way to improve your programming skills and become a better programmer. Just signing their mailing list and the following discussions teaches you a lot. Since most of the discussions happens between good programmers, by listening to them and understanding problem and their approach, solution and view automatically develop good programming habits on you. The next one is practicing data structure, algorithms and design related problems. By learning these things, you take better advantage of what is available. Since data structure is a key piece of any program, irrespective of programming language, and solid knowledge of them helps during problem solving. If you are really good at data structures and algorithms, no matter what type of programming language you choose, you can solve the problem easily. So you can improve your problem solving ability also. Similarly, knowledge of key programming principles, search and sort algorithms and other well-known algorithms develop programming skills on you. The next one is reading good blogs. Reading good blogs is a small part of reading books. So you may get doubt, how can I improve programming skills if I am reading blogs? Well, it does. Since blogs are often written by programmers themselves. So, and most of them share their personal views, experience, and often find them relevant. So that's why I'm listing this one also, reading good blogs, because many programmers or developers used to write blogs and explore their experience and their personal views in their blogs. So a blog also helps to learn new technology and new features of existing language and API. I just prefer to go to websites like dev.to, Free Code Camp, and Medium, particularly some developer focused publications. Okay. The next one is writing unit test. The unit test complements the thinking and coding process and subsequently help you to design better. Writing unit test helps a lot in finding better names, better abstraction, better interface, abstract class design, and overall improve code quality. But like coding and designing, unit testing is also a tough job for average programmers. You will see a lot of resistance there. Some programmers write trivial test instead of thinking hard on usage scenario. The next one is doing code reviews. Like unit testing, code review is another development practice that helps to become a good solid programmer. Code review helps both reviewer and author. The reviewer improves his code sense and offers genuine advice, while author learns from his mistakes. The next one is talking to the programmers. Reading is a passive event compared to talking. Talking a programmer and discussing that with a fellow programmer often leads to a better solution. It's natural because your mind tends to involve more when you talk and listen to others. So that is the reason don't just sit and code. Talk, listen, and think and hang out with fellow programmers. And also participating in the events also. It will help you. And because you may also get some useful and practice tips to become a better developer. The last one is participating Stack Overflow and forums, commenting in blogs. So this is another form of activity which will help you to revise knowledge. By sharing knowledge, the first person who benefits is the one who shares. Since programming is big and vast, you tend to forget most of the things which you don't use for more than 3 months. So participating in Stack Overflow and answering others' queries, commenting on blogs and forums is a nice little way to revise knowledge and same time correct your misconception. By putting our knowledge in front of others, we not only help others but also put them to the test. Many times you will see someone benefiting from your knowledge, but also you are getting your misconception corrected. So in my last conclude words, every programmer wants to become a better programmer, but not everyone succeeds. Apart from the natural talent of programming and problem solving, it requires a lot of hard work, constant learning, and perseverance to become a better programmer. So the more you do real work like coding, design, unit testing, and code review, then you will become a better programmer. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also likes our videos and shares our videos. So thank you for watching. If anything need to add in this list, please comment in the below. Then it will be helpful to other programmers and developers as well. Okay, so if there is any requirements or changes in the list, so I hope it will be very helpful for other coders as well. So please add your